Hello, Canastota. My name is Nick Panuccio, the Executive Director of Finance and Operations for the district. As our superintendent has stated, we're going to be doing a series of videos based on our reopening plan. For the first one of our reopening plan, please look at this video that is based on our cleaning protocols.
Hi, my name is Nick Campa. I'm the Director of Facilities here at Canastota School District, and these are our cleaning protocols for our facilities.
Here we have a cleaner disinfecting a workspace. Each workspace will be cleaned thoroughly before a new student uses that workspace. Throughout the day, cleaners will be cleaning high contact points throughout the school, including doorknobs, light switches, and phones. Here we have the cleaner wiping off the teacher's desk. This will be done every night as well as throughout the day by the cleaning staff and the teachers themselves. This is the Clorox 360 machine. This machine sprays a disinfectant which has a positive charge, allowing it to connect to every negative charge throughout a room for thorough cleaning. Here we can see as the cleaner cleans around the urinals in the boys' bathroom using the 360 machine. You'll notice a light mist is sprayed from the machine. However, it is connecting to every area around the room. Here the cleaner cleans around the sinks and the walls around the sinks. Here we have a cleaner disinfecting the carpets, as well as one mopping with disinfectant throughout each room. Throughout the school, you will see signage reminding students, staff, and guests to wear a face mask when entering a room, as well as be sure to practice social distancing. There's also hand sanitizer units all throughout the school to ensure we can sanitize at any moment. Here we have a cleaner cleaning off a high traffic area, which in this case is our office. You will notice that in the office there is also a sanitizer and cleaning wipes available for anybody who walks in.
Hi, my name is Cindy Clark, Director of Transportation. In the Transportation Department, the cleaning and sanitizing of the buses will be done after each bus run daily. Handrails, the seats, and all high contact places will be wiped down and sprayed down. We will also be using a BNC 15 product which sprays throughout the entire bus, and it disinfects everything within 5 minutes of contact. Once a week, we'll be using this Clorox 360 machine, which is a disinfectant also. It disinfects all germs immediately upon contact.
Additionally, each teacher will receive a cleaning kit in their classroom, equipped with BNC cleaner, a towel, hand sanitizer, gloves, and a mask.